Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. Well, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at that, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see here, what the Bitcoin done today, after yesterday, if you remember yesterday, it happened a red candle here, and today it happened a green candle here. And that what it telling us, the Bitcoin is still very stronger here in that level where we are here. By the way, people they enter with me yesterday in 30 minutes. Me must stop loss, it's being hit today. It's okay, that's a part of trading. And here, what else we said before here in the daily? We said we got here an inside bar, that one here, that green candle here, that one here. Till now the Bitcoin, it hasn't breaking up here for us to enter long. Till now it hasn't breaking down for us to enter short. So we need to wait more till the right time came. Till now everything is still looking the same, nothing was changed. And I show you everything before. I told you that Bitcoin is going to 30k and we are very close. We don't know if we are going to hit it that week or next week. Then we're going to make a decision based on that. But till now we haven't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. So the Bitcoin is still continuing upward. Yes, it's showing here a very stronger supply and demand zone or a resistance here, but I think soon is going to break it because till now it hasn't broken the 28k, it hasn't reached the 29k. All those days we've been below 29k, but as soon possible it's going to go to the 30k. That's what me I told you before. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see the coming news for today, so it's going there. Here we are, that's the coming news for today. Actually, we don't got something special here, as you see it. We just got that one here. The durable goods or orders of USA. That's the only thing we got. Then we got here retail sales of UK, and that one German manufacturing. Then the EU Leader Summit. We don't know what they are going to say. But the only important thing for tomorrow is that one here, the durable goods orders. People they trading stocks, they saw today going up, but the banking sectors they still falling down. That big dilemma now in the US economic. Plus here, as you see, the table of us, as we follow it every day. What it telling us, everything is green today, as you see it. If you're looking here at the US stocks, everything is looking green here. As you see, the Dow, the SP 500, the Nasdaq, everything is looking green today. And here, our friend is the VIX. That one also we follow it every day. It's still above 20. That means currency it's still high a little bit, as you see it. And me, I think it's going to go more higher. But for the Bitcoin, remember my word. For long-term investors, just they say and forget about all that. Bitcoin, it's very, very, very close to the halving cycle. Every month passed, it's left for you now only 7 months. You need to remember that. Every month passed, also we're getting close and close. So you need to remember that. Everything is too clear. And here, the dollar index, as you see it, today it's green a little bit, not that much, just a little bit. And I'm so sorry I haven't put for you the video about analyzing the stock market because I've been busy a little bit. So I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. What else we said before here in the last video, you can find that. We said we got here a very clear megaphone here, as you see it. Till now the Bitcoin, it hasn't breaking above here and it hasn't breaking down here. So there is no entry long. There is no entry short, so also we need to wait and more till the real breakout happening. As you see, this very, very clear megaphone here. Yes, also we saw that going up like that, but till now we haven't breaking above here for us to make a decision to enter long, and it hasn't breaking down for us to make a decision to enter short. So for swing trading, there is nothing new. You need to wait in more till the right time came to you. And I'll show you can even make now like that. You came here. You connecting those dots here, that one here, and that one here. You can make a trend line here, but even that one, it doesn't tell you the market is going to reverse. But me, as I show you, you need to make here. You came to the lower of those ones here, and you connecting them by a line like that. It's more clear than the trend line, and you make a megaphone here. If the market came and breaking here, you enter long. If the market came and breaking down here, you enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now, let's go into see our indicators. What they say in here in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it gives us here a very clear divergence. I don't want to go back to show it to you. It fell down here, and if you remember, people they've been with us when you used to be here in the top, I told you maybe it's going to fall down just to here. Then after that, we're going to see it going up. But the bad thing till now, if you see that one here, and if you came and we connect it like that by a trend line, till now it hasn't breaking for us up here. So it's still early again. Maybe from here it's going to fall to go up to touch here that divergence trend line, that white one also we have here. And after that it's going to fall down. But till now for the short there is nothing. It's need to break for us here, because people they been with us, they remember that, and also we've been saying that thousands of times. Over here is only the bulls who controlling. Till now the Bitcoin is still in a bull market. There is no bear yet, so there is no downtrend. Unless if the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, yes, also we going to enter short. But now there is nothing here. We need to wait in more till the right time came to us. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now what shall we do? We need to wait in the break either to happen here in the top, and also we're going to enter long, or the break to fall down and to break down here, and also we're going to enter short. At this moment there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till the right time came to you. And I tell it to you, if you are more conservative, you wait in the correction to happen and you try to enter from down. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area now for some time now here. Should you enter short from that level here? No, there is no entry short. Over here, the Bitcoin, he tried to give us here like waves here to give us here a price action. And that was me being telling you. If you remember when you used to be here, I told you we need a price action. Till now, we haven't got a clear price action and it's getting broke. Also, we got here that megaphone now like that. As you see it, very clear price action here. But till now, the Bitcoin hasn't broken up. If it's getting broke up, it's going to indicating the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Or another scenario is going to break down. It's going to indicating for us the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Till now, there is nothing here. And let me show you for that one. If, let's say, Bitcoin came and breaking above here, in that level, where it's going to go? It's going to go till here, till 34K. That's if it's breaking above. If it's breaking down here, it's going to fall down till here, till 25, 24K. That's what me being telling you. So till now, also we're still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going and where is going to be broke. If it's breaking above here, in that level here, we're going to enter long. If it's breaking down here, we're going to enter short till here. If it's breaking above, it's going to go till 34K. Remember those things, guys? So now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter short from here. People they being with me. I put stop loss just here. Today is being heated. That's a part of the game. It's okay. Now, here in that level where we are here, the Bitcoin it give us here a price action here in 30 minutes. The price action it give us here, look at it. I came to that one here and that one here, and I make a line like that there, or a trend line like that there. Then in the top, I do like that. As you see it, I came to that one here and that one here, and connecting those dots together. They give me here a triangle, very clear triangle here. I'm going to wait the Bitcoin to come to break down here. I'm going to enter short, or the Bitcoin to break above here, and I'm going to enter long. Till now, it hasn't broken up, it hasn't broken down. So till now, I need to wait more till the right time. Everything is too clear. You saw me how I draw it. You came down here, that one here, and that one here, and you draw in a trend line, and you wait in the break to happen here for you to enter short. That's for the short. For the long, if the Bitcoin came like that, I'm breaking above here, I'm breaking in that level. That for in the coming. Maybe here is going to give you another price action or something, but me, Let's show you now. We got here that triangle. We waited till it's getting broke. That's it, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator. What it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, you got here a small divergence like that. As you see it, not clear, but is a divergence here. As you see it over here, it's flat, and over here, one is higher than the other one. Should you enter short? No, my friend, not yet. Yes, our indicator is here at the overbought area, and also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. But till now, there is no entry short. You need to wait in more. For you to enter short, it's need to come and to break here. If it's breaking down here, we're going to enter short. That's it. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, and we need to wait in more till the right time came. Till now, there is nothing here. And here in the top, we got that trend line here. It's need that one to come and to break above here. Look at it now. Look here. What I'm going to show you here. Got a very clear triangle here. As you see it. It's need to be broken above here or down here. For the long, if it's breaking above, you put stop loss either down here in that level here or down here. That for the long. For the short, stop loss, you put it either here or here in that level. That depends on your money management and how much money you're going to risk per trade. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, because guys, I'm going to tell it to you, if I saw your support is getting lower, even me, I'm going to lower videos. So you, if you want me to start putting 2 videos or maybe even 3 videos per day, support me. I want every video I put in here, it to reach at least to 50 likes. Support us, and also we are going to put for you more videos, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.